Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to another Kartra tutorial for healing arts practitioners. My name is Angel Martinez and this channel is dedicated to bringing healing arts practitioners value in all things content creation to empower you to get out there and create content because you, my friend, have a gift to share and the world needs to hear it. In this video, I am going to be walking you through setting up your PayPal and your Stripe inside of Kartra so that you can start accepting payments. Now for PayPal, it is super easy to set up a PayPal account if you don't already have one. All Kartra is going to be asking you for is for your login information, which that makes it super easy. And for Stripe, it is going to be asking you for an API key, which I've also created several Stripe tutorial videos on where to find your API key, how to set up your Stripe account, how to use Stripe. So make sure to check out those videos if you haven't already. And I'll make sure to link those videos here or in the description below. So setting up Stripe and PayPal is super easy inside of Kartra. Let's get straight to it. All right, you guys, so the first thing that you'll want to do is you'll head over to the left-hand section of all your options inside of Kartra from the Kartra dashboard, and we're going to hit select integrations. Okay, so now we are going to be integrating Stripe, and then we are going to also be integrating PayPal. So PayPal is super simple. Anytime here, when you open up the integrations window, you should see a PayPal option here. And if you haven't already have any set up, it would be blank. I already have several PayPal options already set up. So what you'll do is when you see the PayPal option, you're going to select these three little dots here, and you are going to select create integration. And so now it's going to walk you through the process of setting up your PayPal account, which now you see this blue button here. You're going to select connect PayPal, and then it's going to take you to another window where it'll take you to PayPal, and then you're going to simply just log in with PayPal. All right, it's that simple. Once you're logged in with PayPal, it's going to then bring you back to this window, and it's going to tell you that it is complete. All right, so that takes care of PayPal. That one is super easy. All you're doing is logging in. Now to set up Stripe, again, you will find the Stripe integration. You'll click on the three dots, and you're gonna select create new create integration, and it's going to ask you for the secret key, and it's going to ask you for the publishable key. All right, and again, if you haven't already set up a Stripe account, we can dive into that in a separate video. I already have a Stripe account set up, so I'm just going to show you where to find those two keys. All right, the secret key and the publishable key. So now what you'll do is you'll go over to the developer section inside of your Stripe dashboard, and then it's going to bring you to this window here. You will find where it says API keys, and inside of here you will find the publishable key, which you'll take this, you'll click to copy, and then you'll take that back over here into the publishable key. And then for the secret key, you are going to ask it to reveal this live key. Both of these keys right here, you are going to want to save them. I think that Stripe will then hide this, the live key again. You are going to want to save them somewhere, maybe wherever you keep yourself organized, in a notepad or something like that. You want to save those, make sure you label it. This is the publishable key, this is the secret key. Once you have this, you're going to take this secret key, and then you're going to plug this one into here. All right, so now once you have those keys plugged into Kartra, it's going to give you this confirmation window that's going to say integration completed. Now you must put the following URL into your merchant's account instant payment notification configuration. So you got to take this link here, and we got to plug this into our Stripe account. Okay, so we got to go back into Stripe and then plug this in. All right, so make sure that you save that. We are going to go over back into our Stripe account, and it's going to ask us to go into webhooks. All right, and so inside of webhooks, we need to add an endpoint. And now it's going to ask us to confirm our password. We're going to hit select that. Oops, looks like I got the wrong password there. And then go ahead and go into here. So this is where you're going to take this URL right here. You are going to plug that in right there. You're going to add a description, so you can say that this endpoint, it doesn't look like it allows you to. Let's go ahead and just put Kartra payment, just like that. I don't see why it's not letting me. Oh, there you go. All right, so we have our description there. We want to listen to events on your account and leave that one as is, your current version, and then go ahead and just add the endpoint. Okay, so once we have that, that's completed, and then we can go back into Kartra and complete this payment processor for Kartra. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is you want to select events to listen to. Okay, so right now there are no events that Stripe is listening to from Kartra. So let's go ahead and hit the plus select events, and we're going to select all events. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that there. And then once we have all events plugged into here, we can go ahead and add that endpoint, and then we are completed. We go back into our Kartra account, and you'll have Stripe set up there. So now you can accept payments via credit card from your customers. All right, my friends, so there you have it, a super simple Kartra tutorial on setting up PayPal and Stripe inside of Kartra so that you can start accepting payments from your checkout pages. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I am more than happy to help. If you haven't joined us inside of the Real Magic community, this is where all healing arts practitioners gather to learn, to collaborate, to connect, and create amazing things into the world so that we can have a bigger impact. And if you join us today, down below in the description, there is a link that will offer you a 7-day free trial so that you can check it out for yourself, so that you can experience the magic that we are creating together. All right, my friends, thank you so much. If you learned anything, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.